This video is brought to you by the Shadow Angel Genesis and the South Bend Dart Frog Murders. In the Shadow Angel Genesis, follow the story of Daniel Adrian Angelescu, who has spent the last 500 years in servitude to the Vatican as their greatest monster hunter. In the South Bend Dart Frog Murders, the seniors at St. Thomas More High School are all looking forward to their final year, but then the city of South Bend is rocked by a serial killer called the Dart Frog. Click the links in the description below to get your copies today. Thank you for your support. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Robert Canter, and today I've got another recipe for you. To commemorate the release of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Naruto crossover on paperback, I have come up with my own pizza-flavored ramen. And I must say, I'm legitimately surprised they didn't do anything like this in the actual story. The book makes no mention of this, but I half expected the Turtles to have ramen pizza with Naruto. Given the bizarre concoctions they do in the classic cartoon, that wouldn't surprise me in the least. But don't worry, this ramen tastes nothing like the pickled herring and caramel fudge pizza that we're familiar with. If I didn't like this, I wouldn't be posting this video. If you like tomato soup or spaghetti, you'll have no problem with what I've made. Follow the instructions on screen, and in no time at all, you'll have ramen that even Tucci would be proud of. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you really want to help this channel out, click the links in the description below and buy my books.